Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at pickup I got today, which is the G.I. Joe Bridge Layer Toss and Cross. So the box is not in great shape. I'm going to definitely have to do some work on it to see if I can make it presentable. So there is the bottom showing you how you go from the bridge layer, laying the bridge to crossing the bridge. And then on the back, not a lot going on with it, but let's check it out here. Okay. So here we have the toss and cross bridge layer. I'm rearranging some stuff here on this place out here. Give me some room. Alright. So I got him set up on my let's see, will this raise that? That's pretty heavy. Let's see. Bring that a little bit forward. So I'm surprised that holds that, to be honest. So here is the bridge layer. So you have the bridge, and essentially it's connected down here on some tabs, and it comes and lays down the bridge. This part can come off. I'm not going to do that right now, just because I don't want to take any chances of breaking this thing. You have two yes, machine guns, barrels. What do they call them on here, actually? Not, does it say? But you have two of those. They move. The treads do not. They're just plastic wheels underneath. We got our driver, toll booth, and actually have another toll booth with his hammer, and then another hammer, which I don't think that's the hammer that goes with him. I'm not sure. They don't show it in any of the pictures from what I can see. And I don't have the sheet that goes with it, so I don't know which hammer actually goes to which one. So if anyone knows which of these hammers is the correct hammer, that would be awesome to know. I'll show you a close-up toll booth. So he's got an orange hard hat, some dog tags, he's got a sidearm. That's pretty much it. And here are the two hammers. Like I said, I'm not sure which one actually goes with the figure. That's it. There's really not much to it. It's a cool vehicle. These green one, the green like military style, like tanks and stuff, don't really get it going for me. I did like this one. Came with the box. I mean, it's no Rattler, but I'm okay with it. It'll look cool. Sitting on a shelf. or in the motor pool here. So, slowly adding to the G.I. Joe collection. Still waiting to try to find some cool vehicles. I feel like I've got quite a bit of, well, I don't have any tanks yet. This is my first tank. Wait, maybe I do have a tank. I don't remember. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really not much there. I just wanted to show off this bridge layer that I just got. So that was it. Just wanted to show you guys. I think it's pretty cool. Anyway, bye.